Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to use DeepSeek AI to generate image step-by-step guide. First, head over to the DeepSeek AI website and create an account if you don't have one already. Signing up is the quick and easy, just follow the prompts. Once logged in, you will see the image generation dashboard. Here, you will find a text box where you can type a detailed description of the image you want DeepSeek AI to create. Be as specific as possible to get the best results. After writing your prompt, select any style or filter option available to customize the image output. This could be anything from photorealistic to artistic or abstract styles. Next, hit the generate button and wait for a few moments while DeepSeek AI process your request. The AI will create your image based on the prompt and the style you chose. When your image is ready, you can preview it on the screen. If you are happy with the result, download it directly to your device. If not, tweak your prompt or settings and try generating again. DeepSeek AI makes the image creation simple, powerful, and fun, perfect for artists, marketers, and anyone needed unique visual fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. See you in the next one.